Hi there. In this challenge, we're going to write a function that counts how many bits in a binary number are equal to 1. Let's break it down. The function takes a single argument, which is a non-negative integer. Our goal is to convert this integer into its binary form and then count how many times the digit 1 appears in that binary representation. For example, if we pass 1, 2, 3, 4 to the function, the binary representation is 10111110, and there are 5 ones in it. So the function should return 5. Here's the approach we'll take to solve this. Convert the integer to binary. JavaScript has a built-in method called toString. By passing the value 2 to this method, we convert the number into its binary form. For example, when we write n.string2, it converts the integer to its binary string. Split the binary string, we'll use the split method to split the binary string around the ones. This will create an array of all parts without the ones. For example, if the binary string is 101.1, splitting by 1 will give us an array like this. 0. Count the ones. Now we simply take the length of this array and subtract 1 from it. This subtraction accounts for the fact that splitting removes the ones, but leaves empty strings or other digits in the array. The final result will be the number of ones in the binary representation.